Hey, what's up, friends? Welcome to the series of Artificial Intelligence. My name is Mukesh Parapatre. Today, we are going to discuss a new topic, branches of artificial intelligence, application of AI, and advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. So, let's get started. Branches of artificial intelligence. We have many branches of artificial intelligence, like logical AI, which deals with the Boolean algebra, Boolean logic. Next one is searching in AI. All the artificial intelligence problem it's solved by searching. All the I can say that 80% of problems of artificial intelligence is solved by searching. We have many type of searching. Informed searching techniques, uninformed searching technique, and we also have a heuristic searching technique. Pattern recognition, it's a automated recognitions of pattern and regularities in the data. It has application in statistical data analysis, signal processing, image processing, information retrieval, uh, data compression, computer graphics, and machine learnings also. So pattern recognition is very important to uh, match the pattern of uh, different datas. Knowledge representations, how to store the data, how to store the knowledges in the machines, and how I can represent the knowledge into a machine. Inference mechanism is nothing about the drawing the conclusions on the basis of knowledge. Common sense and knowledge reasoning is also same as a representations. Common sense knowledge representation, knowledge consists of facts about everyday word. Common sense is nothing but having a knowledge uh, about everyday and everyday word, like sun rises from the east, uh, like this. All the common sense knowledge we have to store. Okay, next one is learning. Learning is a process that improve the knowledge of AI programs. Planning, it's about of decision making and task performed by the robots or a computer program to achieve the goals. Epistemology, it is a branch of philosophy with deals with theories of knowledge, how to get the knowledge, how to store the knowledge, and how to represent the knowledge. Ontology, it's a specifications of the meaning of a symbols in an informations. Genetic programming, which is also deals with the solving of programs by using searching techniques. Natural language processing, as you know about the how to generate the language, how to translate the language, and how to understand the language. So these are the different branch where we can work, and we can apply different programs to solve this type solve the problems over here. Applications of AI, we have a classical applications of artificial intelligence. Many applications like robotic, vision system, learning system, expert system, natural language processing, neural networks, etc, etc. Okay, so let's take an examples of all the applications of AI. Robotics. There is a one example of robotics which is handled by AI. The Mars rover. The Mars rover, which is rover used by NASA to study and explore the surface of the Mars. Vision system. It includes the hardware and software that help to capture and store and manipulate the visual images and clips. Best example, we have a CCTV images. uh, CCTV images in our city. Natural language processing. The computer understand and react the statements and commands made in a natural language such as English, Hindi also. So we have an example like Alexa, Siri, Google Assistants. Okay. Learning system, the computer changes how it functions or react to a situation based on a feedback. Learning is a process that improves the knowledge of an AI programs. So we need learning mechanisms in artificial programs. Neural network, computer system that acts like or simulate the functioning of the human brain. Just like brain works, neural networks also can be designed. Expert system. It consists of hardware and software that store the knowledge and makes the inferences as basis of the on the basis of the knowledge, similar to the human expert. We also discussed this topic in previous lectures. Okay, the following are the examples of artificial intelligence. Stanley the robot. There is an unmanned vehicle, that is unmanned car, which have an autopilot. He It can drive uh, autonomously. How Stanley sees the road? Uh, just they In that car they have a CCTV camera, and they have a visioning systems to capture the images. On the basis of that images, they make adaptive visions and distinguish the which one is road or not. Okay, uh, that is a training of Stanley to drive drivable, which surface is drivable or not. Advantages of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has a many vast advantages in our current industry or current era, in the form of computer software, in the form of robotics, or in the form of machinery which will be used in industry to perform many tasks. Okay, it can do the stressful and complex work that human may struggle to do. Can complete the task faster than the human beings. To discover unexplored thing, uh, artificial intelligence try to discover the unexplored things which is not solved earlier. It has a less errors and defects, and functioning time is infinite. As a human being tired or after some times, but artificial intelligence program is never try, function time is infinite in artificial intelligence. So drawback of artificial intelligence is also there. It consists of lack of human touch. It has ability to replace the human job. This is the main issue which we are facing here. It can malfunctioning and do the opposite of what they are programmed to do. Okay, can be misused, leading to mass scale destructions, may corrupt younger generations. Yes, currently we this artificial intelligence corrupt the younger generations because they are mostly uses mobile phones, calculators, and etc etc. They don't use their brains. It is ethically wrong. It increases the dependence. So following are the drawbacks of artificial intelligence. That's from my side. uh, Thank you.